Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Quick little install video for you guys today. We're going to be installing some Evotech front axle sliders. Little crash protection for the bike. So tools you're going to need for today's job: 13mm socket and a torque wrench set to 6, just shy of 6 foot-pounds, about 8 Newton-meters, and obviously a cup of coffee. Let's get started. It shouldn't take you no more than 5 minutes to do this install. Alright guys, so how this works is you have a side that's going to slot into the axle here. That's this side with this little raised piece here. And then you have the other side that's going to slot over the axle nut. So you want to make sure that you take off the side that slots over the axle nut, not the piece that goes actually into the axle. You want to make sure this piece stays tight. So what you want to do, just unscrew your nylock nut. This is a washer. And slide this piece off. This is going to slot right into there. Put your rod through. And let's go to the other side of the bike and put the other piece on. So once you have the other side of the rod through, you'll then take a piece that goes over the axle nut, your actual frame protection here, or axle protection. Might need to hold the other side, slide that through. Then take your washer, slide that over, and then your nylock nut. I guess I should have mentioned that you will need maybe a box wrench to hold the other side while you tighten this side down, otherwise it's just going to spin. Then the last step to do, guys, is torque it down to, again, just shy of 6. There it goes, really light. And that's it. That is an Evotech front axle sliders for the MT10. I believe this works on all years, 2016 to 2021 at least. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one. I'm going to be ordering the frame sliders and the rear axle pretty soon here, so stay tuned for that video as well. Please like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you out. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.